to Amma Vantakadi. Today in our kitchen we are going to prepare homemade ghee. To prepare homemade ghee we need milk. Either you can go with cow milk, buffalo milk or cow milk. If it is cow milk, buy cream milk and boil it for at least 10 to 15 minutes and let it cool and place it in refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours without lid. Then take out that milk. You will get a thick malai on the top of your milk. See, like this you will get malai. And place this malai in separate bowl. Take it and place it in separate bowl. This is half a liter milk I boiled and I got this malai. In this malai you have to add 1 spoon of curd. 1 spoon of curd and mix it properly. Mix it properly and set aside for at least 3 to 4 hours for fermentation process. After that you can keep this malai inside the refrigerator. In the same way, you can keep the malai in the same bowl daily and stir it properly and keep aside for an hour. Again, you can keep this content in the refrigerator and store it properly. You can do this process at least for 6 to 7 days and you can get the amount of malai like this. I stored this for nearly 8 to 9 days. Don't go beyond this. Because the malai may give a filthy smell. Then the buttermilk also, if you stir, you will get buttermilk. That also will give some sour taste. So that it is better to have at least for a week. You can store the malai in refrigerator. Then you can do the process. Now I am going to place this malai in the blender to blend. Nowadays, people are using blender to blend the malai. In olden days, people used to have this wooden churner to churn the malai. Now also you can use that. After grinding this, I got the consistency like this. You can see this. The butter has come on the top. Now I am going to pour this in a bowl. In the same way, I am going to prepare the whole content in the same way. Now see, whole grinding process is over. Now you can see that whole butter has come on the top. Now I am going to take this butter and place in a kadai in which I am going to boil. Whole butter we have to take like this and place in a separate kadai. And again we have to wash this butter in water. See, now you can see the butter removed buttermilk, and this is butter, washed butter. Now I am going to place this on stove to boil. This process will go for nearly 10 to 15 minutes. See, butter is melting. And we can add, after few minutes, we can add drumstick leaves also. It gives a nice aroma to ghee. Now it's melting. Now you can see that whole butter has melted and it's boiling. We have to boil it till this white patches has to be disappeared. It's boiling now. See, now the entire process is over. The white patches are all gone. Now I am adding drumstick leaves. That's it, over. Now I am going to strain it with the use of strainer. See, now I am straining this. See, now flavorsome ghee is ready. You can store this in refrigerator for months. So try it, do it. Thank you.